Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Google Translate and giving it permission to use your mic and camera so it can listen and scan text. Once done, choose the languages you need and make sure to download the offline language packs for reliable use without data. Now tap the camera or conversation icon to begin the practical steps. This connects the app's capabilities to real-world input, which is the first actionable move toward translating speech or printed text on the spot. You switch to conversation mode for real-time two-way speech. Press the microphone and speak naturally, and the app translates aloud and shows text. For signs or menus, tap camera, point and scan, then highlight text to translate or import a photo for higher accuracy. Make sure to choose the correct input method, voice, handwriting, or typing, because accuracy hinges on matching source format to the tool. If pronunciation matters, tap the speaker icon and listen. You save useful translations by starring them, and you can share text or screenshots via other apps when needed. If the camera feed stalls or speech recognition lags, clear the app cache and restart it. This often fixes performance issues. When translations look wrong, re-download the offline language pack or switch to a stable Wi-Fi connection, because connectivity and corrupt offline data are common causes. If nothing works, toggle permissions and try again. Most problems resolve quickly that way.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.